Hey, what's up, YouTube? This is Skynet with another video tutorial here. So today video is about the new Call of Duty update that they released. Uh, it was released yesterday for like other countries like Europe, United Kingdom, Germany, and other countries. But for US, it was today. So a lot of people are facing these problems. Uh, they they can get online, even play to even multiplayer or resurgence battle royale. So what happened is they combined the uh, Black Ops 6, Modern Warfare 3, and Warzone into a single folder. So what happened is like something when you updated it, something got corrupted on the update, so you're missing pieces of file on that folder. That's why you can't play. And there's people that they are missing loadouts on their profile on the game. So in order for you to fix that issues, you need to uninstall the whole game, delete everything, and re-download it. So yeah, I agree with you. I know what you're thinking. So you're thinking this is stupid, that they have to, we have to delete everything and re-download everything again. So, I mean, I have my PS5 right there, my Xbox right there. My Xbox have no issues. Like, it didn't even. There's no update for my Xbox. So my Xbox only had like a little minor updates. I just started the game and says update required, restart game, and so I restarted and then I went back into the game, and I was playing just fine. So but some of my buddies, they were calling me like, hey dude, you having these problems? Like, I told them no. And so my son PS5 updated just fine. There's no issues uh, at all, so you just he lags once in a while here and there. But we've been getting that problems like, back then. They do a major update and they fix one thing and they mess up another thing. So the only fix for this big update that they release is delete the whole game, Modern Warfare 3 and Warzone, re-download it. I know it's gonna take a while for you. It all depends on your internet speed, but it will fix your issues. Otherwise, you can wait until Activision release another update, and see if that will fix it. But if you have corrupted data in that folder, even if they release another update, you still will get issues because you still have corrupted data on the actual folder. There's some files that are corrupted on into that folder. Even people that play on computer, they still having the same problem. So they have to delete everything and re-download everything. Unfortunately, it is what it is. We're paying a lot of money for this game, and all we get in return is just trash. Uh, so like I said, this is gonna make me think, hold on and on buying the Black Ops 6, because like I said, there's they got a bunch of developers, uh, at Activision. So they push an update. They don't care if the game is fine or not. So they just push out the update, and until everybody goes on Twitter, uh, it's called X now. They go and complain about it. But like I said, I always find my own way of fixing things. If it's up, if I can, I will, and if I can't, I can. If it's not on my hand, then it has to be on their end, But that's the problem right now. Everybody facing. Two of my buddies called me and like, hey, are you having problem with your PS5? So I was like, no. Right now, I am updating my PS5 because I readily use that PS5. I don't use it at all. It's just almost like brand new. I use my Xbox One S mostly. uh, and my son uses the PS5. So, like I said, there's no issues on my son updating the PS5. And but if you having that problem, like you can't log in or you can't play a match or anything, so that means there's the game still messed up. But at least this is gonna get you through it to like play. To play if you love to play trash, like obviously I like to play trash as well. I like to play with trash. So this is the only way you're gonna be able to fix it. Like I said, otherwise you have to wait until Trash Division send another update. They fix whatever bugs and glitches there is in the game. I'm sure there is a lot of bugs and glitches. So I mean, like I said, this is the only way it's gonna work. You're gonna have to delete the game, like you know. See, I'm updating right now, so I don't care. If it's corrupted on my PS5, I got my Xbox running, so that thing is working good for now. Uh, but yeah, this is the only way that you will have to deal. Just see, that's one of my buddies right there, and he was having problems with his update. So I tell him, you know what? I think there's a piece of data that that corrupted on the update while you downloaded it, and then so he, yeah, sure enough, yeah, he deleted everything and then re-download everything, and then it's gonna work just fine. I haven't talked to him about it yet if he re-downloaded everything, but he said he deleted. I'm not sure if he finished it or not. I don't, and on my Xbox, I didn't see any like major update, but here I'm seeing about 80 to 110 gigs of update. But like I said, just please, just just do what I'm telling you. You will be fine. Just if you're on a PS5 computer, and it might work on Xbox as well. I'm sure it's gonna work if you're having that issue. I'm not having issues on my Xbox, but like I said, people on PS5 they are. So just delete everything, and should be good to go. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.